In this video, we'll demonstrate how to version, build and deploy two interdependent ABAP projects. The front-end project is a SAP UI5 application developed in Eclipse. This is what it looks like in the browser. The backend project is a simple package consisting of a test table filled with some data about car brands and a program to generate this data. Next, we have a data service responsible for displaying the data from the table. It's a simple application with just one entity and a method for serving the data. In IKAN ALM, our DevOps framework, the front-end and back-end are set up as two separate projects. Both projects are connected to a Subversion version control repository. The backend project is the leading project and has a dependency on the front-end project. This means that when a transport request is generated, the backend project will also take the sources of the front-end project. That's how both sources are combined when we deploy to a next environment. Now, before we start making changes to our projects, we will have a look at our SAP versioning tool. This tool allows us, in this case, to commit our code to Subversion. Here, for instance, we can see the sources of our front-end project, and we can also have a look at the sources of our backend project. This is the current version of our application. Our new requirement is to add a search filter. To achieve this, we'll need to make changes to both the front-end and the backend. First, we'll add the search filter to the view, and then we'll add the corresponding method which calls the backend service. Since we're in Eclipse, we need to push the changes to the ABAP system. Now we're going to change our data service. In our method, we will add the search filter string option. Finally, we need to commit our changes to the Subversion repository. When we check our backend sources, we see that they have been modified, so we'll need to commit them. We'll repeat this step for our front-end application. If we refresh our browser, we can see that the filter is now active. The second browser tab shows the previous version currently active on our test environment. Before moving the two projects to the test environment 2, they need to be built. We'll do this manually for demonstration purposes, but this is normally fully automated. So first, the SAP UI5 project. And finally, the backend project. In this overview, we can see every detail about our build request. We can, for instance, view and download the build results. And we can get specific details about each step in the build process. We can ignore the warning status. The warning just tells us some files are not cleaned up, because we have the debugging option on. The request, however, did succeed. To move our latest build to the test environment, we simply click the Deliver icon for the leading project. We can check the results on the front-end application on the test environment. As a final proof, let's see if the source code of the backend service for the test environment has been updated. Yes, it's been updated correctly. For more information or a live demo, visit our website at ikanalm.com. Thank you for watching.